Means here I solving question number B and here I'll be solving question number B also. So rest you have to do in your book by yourself. Ankit, turn on your window. Kalidas, turn on your video, please. Yes, children. So let's get started. This is question number B. 325 minus 183. And you have to estimate the following into nearest 10. 325 minus 183. So in the given blank here, you have to write down in columns first. Let's do it. This is 325 minus 183. 325 minus 183. Now subtract. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Here it is 12. 8 cannot be subtracted from 2, so we have to borrow. Now this becomes 12. 12 minus 8 equals to 4. And it will become 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. This is your answer. But you have to estimate the following into nearest 10. Okay, now? First of all, solve this in the blank provided. See here, 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, so the rounding off will go backward. 2 is smaller than 5, so the rounding off will go backward. Therefore, your answer will be, what is the nearest 10? This is 42. So nearest 10 will be 10, 20, 30 or 40. So the nearest 10 will be 40. So write down the answer in the space provided here. You will be writing 140. This is question number B. Done. Now I'm solving question number B of hundreds. Means both A question will be your homework. This is hundreds. So 3152 minus 1189. Write down 3152 minus 1189. Here it is 2. 9 cannot be subtracted from 2. So we have to borrow. Now this becomes 12. 12 minus 9 equals to 3. 12 minus 9 equals to 3. Now this becomes 4. But 4 is also lesser than 8. Means 8 can't be subtracted from 4. So we have to borrow again. Now this becomes 14. 14 minus 8 equals to 6. If you have completed, please be quiet and check your answer. Now this becomes 0 because 1 has given borrow, 4 has borrowed 1 from 1. So now this becomes 0. So 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. Now this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 equals to 9. 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Now this becomes 2. This becomes 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. See children, for rounding of 100, as I have already explained, that you will be checking whether the given number is greater than 500 or smaller than 500. You have to check the number is greater than 500 or smaller than 500. So what we have in the hundreds place, this is 1, 10, 100. 9 is there in 100 place, means this is 963. So 900 is greater than 500 or smaller than 500? Yes, it is greater than 500. So your rounding off will go forward. Means your answer will be Here it will become 1000. So when this one will added to this one, this will become 2000. So your answer is 2000. Write down. Done? If you have completed, please show your thumbs up. Very good. Now come to page number 13. This is activity 10. New activity, page number 13. This is activity 10. Put today's date and classwork, all of you. This is 090720. All of you, please. This is 090720. So you have to solve the following. I said if you have completed, please check your answer. See, you have to solve the following. Here it is 7,315 minus 4,682 plus 5,212. So in the class also, children, you like to sit with your friends, right? So we have to keep the friends together. We have to keep the friends here together. How we will keep the friends? How we will know that these are friends or not? See, here is 7315. 7315 means it is plus, because there is no sign given here. It is plus. And here is also plus. So which two are friends? 7,315 and 5,212 are friends. So we have to keep the friends together. Also, while solving this kind of question, when there is plus also and subtraction also, we have to do addition first. Understood? While solving these kind of questions, you have to solve the addition first. Means these are the friends, 7,315 and 5,212 are friends. So you have to do addition. Always remember, you have to do addition first, and from the sum of that addition, you will be subtracting the remaining number. Understood? So let's now do it. Let me show you how you will do it. And those who have completed, please check your answer. This is question number A, activity. This is question number A, activity 10. Solve. This is question number 1. Solve the following. Question number A. There is 7,315 minus 4,682 plus 5,212. So as I have said, you have to do addition first and you have to keep the friends together. So friends are the addition one. So we will be doing addition first. This is 7,315 plus 5,212. First of all, you have to do addition. 7,315 plus 5,212. Add 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. And 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Write down. Now, what is the sum? This is our sum. So from this sum, we will be subtracting the leftover number, the remaining number. So our sum is, in the next blank you will write 12,527 minus. See, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and there are 4 digits only. So you will be starting from this side: 2, 8, 6, and 4, like this. Write down. All of you, please write down. Now subtract. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Here it is 2. 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. So it will become 12. We will borrow 1 and it will become 12. Now 12 minus 8 equals to 4. 12 minus 8 equals to 4. Now this becomes 4. 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So it borrows 1 from the previous number. Now it becomes 14. So 14 minus 6 equals to 8. 14 minus 6 equals to 8. Now this becomes 11. And 11 minus 4 equals to 7. So this is your answer. Beside their right answer. If you have completed, if you have written, please show your thumbs up. Okay, adding. Ayush Kachap. Completed? Sit nicely, beta, first. So if you have completed, please show your thumbs up. If it is done by you, yes, Shiva. Okay, thank you, children. Lower down your hands. Anash, stop playing with your phone. Beta, no need to touch your phone. You simply have to raise your thumbs. Okay. Completed? Shivam, you want to say something? Unmute yourself. Yes, Shivam. Shivam. Unmute yourself if you want to say something. So let's proceed to the next question. I'm solving question number C. Okay, I'm explaining question number C. You will understand by this. So our question number C is 3. And minus become plus. sorry, become minus. Plus and minus becomes minus. But here it is plus and here is no sign given. If there is no sign given, means it is plus. So who are the friends? As I have said, in this type of question, you have to do addition first. But before doing addition, you have to check for the friends. It is plus here and here no sign given. So this means this number is also plus. So who two are friends? In the classroom also, now you children like to sit with your friends. So similarly, here in this question, we have to keep the friends together first, whether it is plus or whether it is minus. But always start solving this kind of question with addition. So here it is plus and here it is also plus, means 3513 and 532. These two are friends. These two are friends. Okay. So we will be keeping the friends together first. So let's start. This is 3513 plus, here it is, here the 4 digits are there and here is 3 digits only. It's 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now add 2, 3, 5. Yug Rachna, what's going on? Now add 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 5 plus 5, 10. 0. Carry 1. This becomes 4. Now, what we are left with? We are left with 589 only. So, we will subtract 589 from 4045. We will subtract. So, let us write the bigger number first. Always subtraction is done from the bigger number. So, here the bigger number is 4400. Sorry, 4045. The bigger number is 4045 and the smaller number is 589. The smaller number is 589. Now subtract. As you can see, there are 4 digits and here is 3 digit only. So we will be writing from the digit at ones place, ones, tens and hundred. The place below 1000 will be blank. Write down all of you. Now we will be doing subtraction. As you know, children, subtraction is always done from the bigger number. Subtraction is always done from the bigger number. So we will be solving. First, we are doing addition, and on getting the sum, the result of addition is called sum. So we will be we should subtract the remaining number from the sum. Okay. Now subtract 15. This is 5. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 5. Therefore, it will become 15. It will borrow 1 from the previous number and it will become 15. Now 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Now this becomes 13 because it has become 3 and 3 is smaller than 8. So 13 minus 8 equals to 5. Anas, wait a second, beta. I'm giving you chance to say. Just a second. Now here it will be 9 because 3 has taken borrow from 4. 3 has borrowed from 4. Now this becomes 9. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. And this will become 3. So your answer is 3. This is 3456. Please write down. Yes, Anas, unmute yourself. Tell me.
मैम समझ में नहीं आया।
Yes, bacha. Let me say you tell you again. See the question, as you can see. This is the question. This is the question. Here it is minus sign also, and here it is plus sign also. है ना? So what you have to do in this type of questions, you have to do addition first. Always remember, you have to do addition first. But this is minus and this is plus. So minus plus equals to minus means there will be no addition. The answer will go in subtraction. So we have to check for the friends, or we have to check for the similar symbols, because these are the symbol. This is symbol of addition, this is symbol of subtraction, right? So we have to check for the similar symbols. Similar symbols means equal symbols, like this is plus and there should be plus also. Here is no sign given. Wait a second, Aditya, I'll give you chance. Wait a second. Here is no sign means this is plus by default. If there is no sign given before any number, this is plus by default. Okay. So this is plus and this is plus. As I have said, you have to do addition. Now this is plus and this is plus. So you have to keep the friends together. Means this is plus and this is plus. Means both of them will be friends now. So first of all, you have to do addition. What you have to do? Addition. So we have done the addition first. This is the first number and this is the last number. So both of them are friends and we are keeping the friends together. We are keeping the friends together. That is why we have done addition first. After adding the two numbers 3513 and 532, we have got the answer what? We have got answer 4045. What answer we have got? 4045. And we have 4045. This is the answer on addition, right? When we have added 3513 and 532, we have got the answer. This is the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, and also see in the question, we are left with one number. Now, this is subtraction. Yes, Ara, wait a second, beta. This is subtraction. So we have to subtract 589 from 4045. We have to subtract 589 from 4045. Yes, we are writing the bigger number first. We cannot subtract any number from the smaller number. So which is the bigger number here? 4000 is the bigger number. And from 4000, we are subtracting 589. Now clear? Yes or no? Please say. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This will be more clear when I will solve the next question. So here I am solving question number D. I am solving the question number D again. Anas, mute yourself. Yes, Aditya, you want to say something? Aditya, unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am, what will we and which way we will do some when in front there is plus and back minus.
So we have to do addition first. Okay. Suppose here it is in question number B. है ना? This is question number B. We have plus first and minus at the last. So we will be doing addition first. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And on getting the sum, from the sum you will subtract 680. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now anyone else who want to ask question? Yes, Adav, unmute yourself. Adav Shah, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, tell me. Yes, Arav, you want to say something? Please unmute yourself first. Harsh, stop playing with your phone. Touch the phone, beta. Below is there a mic picture given. Touch that. When you will touch that, you will be unmuted. Please unmute yourself. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, activity 9 for number 5 the actual differencing and them example it to the nearest.
Yes.
Ma'am, activity 9.
Huh? Sorry.
Ma'am, activity 9.
Yes, activity 9. Which question you want to ask?
Ma'am, 4.
Question number 4.
Ma'am, वो समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay. See, children, you have to estimate it. First one is to nearest 10 and the second one to nearest 100. Mute yourself now, beta. See, on subtracting, what we have got, I have solved here. This is question number B, 325 minus 183. So on subtracting 183 from 325, we have got 142. This is the difference, 142. On subtraction, whatever the answer we got, it is called difference. So this is the difference. And the question says you have to estimate this difference to nearest 10. For checking to nearest 10, for estimating to nearest 10, what we check? We check the number is greater than 50 or smaller than 50. Understood? For estimating to nearest 10, we are checking. Here it is 2. This is 42. Means it is smaller than 50. 42 is smaller than 50. So rounding off will go backward. How? There it is 2. The number digits which are 5 and greater than 5. When there is a digit which is 5 or greater than 5, the rounding off go in the forward direction. But when there are digits lesser than 5, the rounding off go in backward direction. So you have to round off this in 10. 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like this. So what is the nearest 10 here? 40. So we have written 140. Okay. So we have written 140 here. Okay, Icha. Yes, this is question number 4. Activity 9. And here, this is rounding, estimating to nearest 100. After subtraction, this is the difference. So when you are rounding, again you are checking the number is greater than 50 or smaller than 50. Greater than 50 or smaller than 50. Here it is 63. 63 is greater than 50. So rounding off will go to the nearest 100. Now 63, what is the nearest 100? Like 100, 200, 300, 400. So here if it is 63, it will become 100. Okay, it will become 100. So when 100 is added to 1900, it becomes 2000. Therefore your answer is 2000. Clear? Clear now? If it is clear, please show your thumbs up. Arav? Okay. Ankit, why are you raising your hands again and again? Tell me. Okay, Priyanshu. Lower down your hand, beta. Yes, Shivam, tell me. Unmute yourself. Shivam?
मैम
Yes.
मेरा नहीं एक्टिविटी 9 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का बी नंबर
Yeah. What happened?
मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ था एक्टिविटी 9 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 और उसका बी नंबर
So do right now, na? I'm showing you the answer. Here it is the answer. This is question number B.
क्वेश्चन नंबर मैम एक्टिविटी 9
Yes, this is activity 9. This is question number 4. This is question number 4B, rounding to nearest tens. And this is question number 4B, rounding to nearest 100. So this is rounding to nearest 10. First question.
बी बी
Write down, please.
मैम मार्जिन मैम उसका प्लस है या माइनस मार्जिन मार्क
This is minus.
मैम और क्वेश्चन नंबर ए क्वेश्चन नंबर ए तो होमवर्क में तो तुम भूल ही गए
Completed, Shivam.
यस मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर
And this is estimate to nearest 100.
मैम ये वाला हो गया है
Okay, now mute yourself.
ओके
Now this is activity 10 again. I'm solving question number D. Question number D. This is 6,825 minus 2,671 plus 1,250. This is the question. Clear? So we have minus also, we have plus also. We will be doing plus first. We will be doing addition first. See, it is plus and it is plus. Here it is minus, so this is odd one out. This is odd one. So it will make friendship with the first number. So we will be doing addition first. 6,825 plus 1,250. Add. Now add this. This is 5, 7, 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1, 8. Now, subtract 2,671 from 8075. Rest questions will be your homework. Subtract all of you.